Hello, my name is Sandra Lindsay, and I am the Director of Nursing for Critical Care at Long Island Jewish Medical Center, Northwell Health. I was lucky enough to be the first American to receive the COVID-19 vaccine outside of the clinical trial. I am delighted to be working with AORN to promote the COVID-19 vaccine. Professionally, I saw it as my responsibility to protect my patients, the community, and overall the people that I serve to put an end to this pandemic, or to be a part of the solution that will put an end to this pandemic. I believe in the science, and so I am willing to go first. I understand that historically, my community has had distrust in medical science because of past harmful practices. I wanted to come out and show my community that I feel that this research was safe, that no corners were cut, and based on what I am seeing in the hospital, I am willing to take that risk. I may not know the long-term effects of the vaccine, but I do know what COVID-19 can do if we are not well protected. My decision to take the vaccine was not done without being properly educated myself and listening to the experts. So that's what I encourage everyone to do. And I spoke to my healthcare provider, who I have been going to for over 20 years. So I trust them to take care of me. So I trust that she would give me correct advice as to enable me to make up my mind about taking the vaccine. I did not go on social media. I did not buy into the conspiracy theories. I trusted the experts to guide me in making my decision. To my fellow Americans who may be hesitant to take the vaccine, particularly the Black community, minority community, Latino community, I understand the fear, I understand the mistrust. What I can tell you is that since some of those harmful practices that have resulted in the mistrust, and some of the practices that still continue today in terms of disparities in healthcare, which further fuels the mistrust, I do understand your concerns. What I can tell you is that the risk of getting COVID-19, particularly for our community, is deadly. The risks are greater with getting the virus than the risk of any harm from taking the vaccine. The vaccine has gone through rigorous testing. Understand that it was created rather quickly, but that has to do with the science behind how the vaccine was developed. And also, in a crisis, every resource was put behind this to ensure that we had this vaccine in record time, which is what we need to combat this virus. So the risks are greater with getting COVID-19 for us, minority people, than the potential side effects of the vaccine. So it's important that we all get vaccinated to protect ourselves and our communities, to get our lives back, to get our livelihoods back, and begin just living and enjoying life again, healthy and, just overall just healthy, just regaining our health and our livelihoods. it is extremely important that you get the facts, speak to people you trust, weigh the risk and benefits. I am not here to coerce you, but to share my experiences with you, not to judge you. I understand your fears, but please get educated and make informed decisions.